Python, the number one programming language in the world. There is really no computing field that Python has not touched. Let's get started with Python.
It's the world's first electronic computer. Right now, it's solving mathematical problems for the U.S. Army, but who knows? Someday a machine like this may check up on your income tax.
Our first Python program to print Hello World. So here we go. Print. Print. This is the code to print Hello World in Python. So how would I run it? It's simple. On Windows, just press Python followed by your file name. Let's say py1.py, and there is a result. Hello World. This is how you run your Python code, your first program on Python. You can go ahead and modify it as ever you want, but this is your Python code, first Python program under 30 seconds. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the problem 2.